Welcome to Gaston College Academic Advising. We're excited to celebrate with you on graduation day. As you can see, we want to start with the end in mind for the beginning, because we're here to help you get your associate's degree, diploma, or certificate.
We will help you accomplish these goals by exploring various programs that fit your career interests and fit in your current life circumstances.
We'll also assist you in course selections that will help map out your academic journey,
Help you understand the time involved in your courses.
supporting you in making good decisions that best fit your needs and individual circumstances.
Providing appropriate referrals to student support services such as free online tutoring, career assessments, financial aid, career counseling, and other support services.
And we want to hear from Benicia, one of our success stories.
As a student who returned to school 23 years prior after dropping out, I can say that without the help of the advisors, I wouldn't have gotten as far as I have. The advisors listened to all my wants and needs and helped me create the perfect student schedule for to fit my lifestyle. I'll screw up, sorry. I kept in touch with my advisors to make sure I was always on the right track, and I took advantage of all the many student support services that were offered to me here at Gaston College.
And we're excited to keep this journey going with you. So let us know what questions you have.